Meaning of fortuitously.
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 Fortuitously. Fortuitously means happening by chance or luck, rather than by design or intention. It describes an event that is unexpected or unplanned, but ends up having a positive outcome. For example, if you were running late for an appointment and missed your usual train, but then happened to meet someone important on the next train who gave you a job offer, that would be a fortuitous occurrence. Overall, fortuitously suggests that something beneficial has happened through a stroke of good fortune, even if it wasn't part of the original plan or intention.